Hello traders, welcome to Kingmaker Trading. I am Sankar. This is Ultimate Beginner's Guide episode 3. If you haven't watched our previous episodes of Ultimate Beginner's Guide, you can watch it on Kingmaker YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about market structure. Alright, let's get started. If you look at this price chart, what can you see? You can see some retracements and some movements have occurred in the market, right? But if you place a horizontal line in any of these retracement levels, what you will see is absolute phenomena. So here's the thing. I placed a horizontal line at this point where market turned back here, all right? But after placing that horizontal line, now you can see that market has made some reactions around that horizontal line, right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and here we have some sort of reaction, and here we go another one, and here we have another one. So as you can see, market tends to show reactions at the same level of same levels of price. Okay, you can see I have placed this horizontal line on 1.11079 and market has showed some sort of reaction almost every time market reached this horizontal line, right? So this is what we call a structure level in market. All right. So personally, I think if a particular structure level has been respected more than 2 times, it's a significant level of structure. All right. Okay. Now let's talk about what is a resistance level and what is a support level. So now you can see that market is making various movements everywhere, okay? But if I'm sorry, all right, if I place a horizontal line at this point, as you can see, each time market reached to this point, it has pushed to the downside, okay? Here we have 1, 2, 3, and that's enough. So each and every time market reached this particular structure level, it pushed down the market. So it means there is selling pressure present at this structure level. We call these type of structure levels resistance levels because it resists the market going up. Okay, all right. And at the same time, if I place a horizontal line at this point, as you can see, each and every time market came down to this particular structure level, it pushed to the upside. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and like that. Each and every time market pushed down to this structure level, it has then market has reversed to the upside. We call these type of structure levels the support levels, okay, because there is buying pressure present at these structure levels. So how do we identify uh, a resistance level or support level? It's easy. So here's the way I find what is support and what is resistance. If a significant level of structure is uh, at a price above the current market price, the current trading price on the market, you can see this green line, that is the current trading line, price on the market. Every structure level that is above this line are resistance levels. Every structure level that is below this line are support levels. All right. So that is the major things about market structure. So now let's talk about market trends and consolidation. Most of the traders know what is a trend, right? Almost everyone knows what is a trend. As you can see, this euro-dollar market has started to go down from this point, and it has came all the way to the downside until here. So this chart shows a downtrend, because downtrend is a formation of series of lower lows and low highs in the market. As you can see, first we made a lower low at this point, and we pushed down and created a lower high. This high is lower than this high, so it makes it a lower high, and then as you can see, it has followed by series of lower lows and lower highs. That is how we identify a downtrend. Okay, all right. So where can we find an uptrend? I think this should do it. Here we go. All right. All right, traders. All right. All right. As you can see, we had a short-term uptrend at this point. Okay, we have initial structure high and a higher low. As you can see, this market structure low is higher than the previous market structure low, and followed by a higher high, a higher low, and here we go, a higher high and a higher low. Okay, uh, so this makes this an uptrend. A downtrend is a series of lower lows and lower highs. An uptrend is a series of higher highs and higher lows. That is how we identify a trend. More easily, if I might say, if the price chart is moving from left bottom corner to the right upper corner, it means market is trending to the upward, uh, to the upside. I'm sorry, to the upside. All right. Now we call uptrend a bullish trend, because that's because the way that animals are fighting, you know that bulls are pushing up with their horns when they're fighting. That's why An uptrend is called a bullish trend, and if the market is going from, I'm sorry, if the market is going from the left upper corner to the right bottom corner, it means market is trending to the downside. Again, downtrend is called a bearish trend. That is because the way bears fight, as you guys know, bears fight with their hands. They push down with their hands when they fight. That's why a downtrend is called a bearish trend. All right. Okay, traders. That is how we identify uh, support levels, resistance levels, and trend. And if you look at this price chart, it's clear that market has been in a trend from this point to this point. But what happens in this area? Let me point that out for you. Uh, Here we go. It's a bit dark. Let's make it a bit. Oh, it's dull. Okay. I think that's enough. You can see that I have pointed out this zone. So in this zone, what's happening? You can see that we have been in a downtrend, but at this point, we are not in a downtrend or an uptrend. Both trends aren't valid at this area of the market. So what is this? This is what, my friends, we call a zone of consolidation or a sideways market. Okay, according to the statistics, a market trends only about 30% of the time and consolidates about 70% of the time. So this is the market movement that we can see more often in the markets. Okay, most traders think that these areas are not for trading, that we cannot make money trading in these zones, and we cannot predict the market inside these zones, but that is completely wrong. In these zones, we can make money by trading advanced patterns. Consolidation breeds advanced patterns. For a quick example, I can point out an advanced pattern formation right here. And not only that, I can see many advanced pattern formations inside the zone, so it is completely tradable and it's very good. Okay, all right, traders. Now let's talk about a trending market. Okay, no, not this one. Let's talk commonly. So when a market is trending to the downside, let's talk about a downtrend first. The initial movement to the downside occurs, and we can see a pullback to about half of this move or a bit further, and then what we should have is another pull push down to the downside. Okay, and we should break and close below this structure level in order to be in a downtrend. And then if this break means if the market below this structure level has gone uh, a significant amount in price, it means it's most probable that market would come to this structure level and reverse to the downside. If not, if this is not a significant break, it means market will most probably come to this structure level and then continue to the downside. Okay, remember that, and it will be useful. Same goes for uptrend, guys. For an uptrend to form, we should have an initial movement to the upside, then retracement and break and close above this structure level. And then if this, and again, if this break is significant, it has moved a lot in price, then most probably this will come to this structure level, then reverse. If this is not a significant break, then most probably this will come to this structure level and then reverse to the upside. Okay, traders. Alright, that is all you need to know about market structure in order to get into trading. So if you made it to the end, which means you liked this video, so give this video a little thumbs up and share this video for me. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel for more future content like this, and see you in the next video.